Nowadays, you are studying by the chapter linear equation in two variables. The given question belonging to the same chapter, it is the word problem. Question is given that two women and five men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while three women and six men can do it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Question arises that two women and five men together can finish the work in 4 days. Again, three women and six men can finish the work in 3 days. You have to find the work done by one woman and also that the work done by one man. First, we have to suppose one woman can do the work in X days and one man can do the work in Y days. In X days, one woman can do the work and Y days, one man can do the work. This type of question we have also read in class 8, time and work. This question is related of the same chapter. So, work done by two women equal to 2ix part. The part of work done by two women. Part of work done by 5 men equal to 5 by y part. According to question, two by x plus 5 by y equal to both men and women can do the work in 4 days. So the part of work done in 4 days equal to 1 by 4 part. It is the first equation. Again, 3 women and 6 men can do it in 3 days. So work done by 3 women equal to 3 by x part, and also work done by 6 men equal to 6 by y part. Hence 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 3. Again 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 3. It is the second equation. First, you have to convert the term y equally. So, we multiply equation 1 into 6 and equation 2 into 5. We get the term y equally. Hence 2yx equal to 12yx plus 30 by y, 5 by y into 6 equal to 30 by y equal to 1 by 4 into 6 equal to 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. Similarly 3 by x into 5 equal to 15 by x plus 6 by y into 5 30 by y equal to 1 by 3 into 5 equal to 5 upon 3. When you subtract the both equation, the term y removed. 12 by x minus 15 by x equal to 12 minus 15 by x equal to 3 by 2 minus 5 by 3. और 12 minus 15 equal to minus 3 by x equal to, if you subtract 5 by 3 from 3 by 2, we get 9 minus 10 by 6 और -3 by x equal to -1 by 6 और x equal to 18 means one woman can do the work in x days, means one woman can do the work in 18 days. Now you have to find the value of y by substituting the value of x in equation 1 or 2. We substitute the value of x in equation 1, we get y equation 1, we get 2 by x means 2 by 18 plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. 5 by y equal to 1 by 4 minus 2 by 18 means 1 by 9 और 5 upon y equal to by subtracting 1 by 9 from 1 by 4 we get 5 by y equal to 5 by 36 और y equal to 36. Hence the value of x and y equal to 18 and 36. Work done by one woman equal to 36 days, 18 days. Work done by one man equal to by means 36 days. It is the answer. The one woman can do the work in 18 days and one man can do the work in 36 days. Thanks.